What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today is a very exciting day because we are moving into a new factory. Yesterday I went and picked up a hoist, a big 4-ton boy. It was a super nice week, all week here in Melbourne, and of course the day that we have to move, it is terrible and raining and windy and cold. But I don't care because I'm pumped, got coffee, super warm. Tara's in the car, she's gonna give me a hand. Because of all the social distancing stuff, I can't get anyone else to help me, so Tara's helping me.
Hi fam.
What's up? How's your coffee? So good?
Hide and seek cafe.
Oh, the best coffee. Let's get in. I'm freezing. So right now we are headed to the real estate agent to pick up the keys, which is the first massive milestone, I guess, in getting our own workshop, which I'm just freaking stoked about. And then we're gonna go to the workshop, check it out, and then we need to start hauling the cars there, the E36, the 280ZX, which Tara's gonna drive. She's kind of nervous about it, but
I'm
she'll
so
be sweet.
fucking nervous. I'm so nervous.
She'll be sweet.
I'm so nervous.
And we need to take the T18 there as well, all of the tools and everything, so it's going to be a big day, but it's going to be a fun one, so let's do it. You! Sign your life away. You! Boom.
3 hours later.
How do you know that they don't own your soul now? You're not even reading it.
Oh, I don't read stuff.
What if they have to have like your left testicle or something like?
They can have it. I don't need that. I only need one. I've got powerful, you know. Yee! We got the key. Let's go. Stoked?
Congratulations, baby.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Here we go. No, here we don't go. Ooh. Look at that. Here it is. A big empty space. It's actually pretty rad though. What do you think, Tara?
Oh, schnitzels.
It's pretty big, huh? I don't even know how to turn the lights on in here.
Yay, we've got light.
Oh. What do you think?
I don't think you have enough space.
I know.
Give us a tour.
Here are the toilets, which I'm about to use because the coffee's kicking in.
I don't think I'm ever gonna pee here.
Yeah, you are. We're cleaning them up. We're going to make them nice. Over the stairs for where Harry Potter lives.
Ah, yes.
And up here is the mad hangout area, which is sick. Mezzanine floor that overlooks the workshop. Nice wee kitchen. We're going to have table and chairs and couch and stuff up here. TV, all that jazz, so that it's like a super nice place to hang out. There's some funky things going on here that we're going to have to sort out.
Cheers.
It definitely looks like jizz. Alright, I very difficultly, is that a word? Difficultly backed the trailer into this place because there's heaps of cars outside. And now we have to get the hoist off the trailer with just me and Tara because we can't have friends here because of the restrictions. So that's fun, but let's see how we go. Tara's stronger than I am, so we'll be sweet. So the first run is done. We got the hoist standing up where it needs to be. We need to bolt it to the ground. That was insane. Very difficult, but we got it done. So heavy. It's ridiculous. A couple of things over here. So now it's time to go home, grab the cars, grab a whole bunch more stuff and bring it in. But so far so good. Just ridiculously stoked right now. Such a massive level up, which is awesome. Not sure whether we should name this place or not, but if you guys have any ideas on what we should name it, feel free to comment below. And if your name gets chosen, I'll send you guys out a bunch of stuff, because why not? You! Alright, let's go home and get some more stuff. Alrighty, we're back home. Just gonna load the E36 onto the trailer. And Tara's gonna drive the 280. Oh, first time ever driving this car for Tara.
I mean,
She's
it is
looking
my
good.
car. I was
Front.
waiting for it to be done.
Oh, it's your car. Yeah,
I
right.
mean, it's supposed to be a gift, but...
Yeah. This front half looks gangster. Back half is still unwrapped. Got the new wheels coming for it. I'm just ridiculously pumped on those. But they'll probably arrive this week. So I'm gonna load up the E36. They don't know what they are. Nope. Yeah.
For a treat.
Yeah. They're ridiculous. It's so good.
Look at that sexy new sticker on the side of it though. Oh shit.
BMW in the back. Tara's in the 280, heading back to the factory. It is definitely a mission, but it's a fun one. So can't wait to see all the cars in the factory just lined up. It's gonna be sick. T18 is gonna drive for the first time today in a long time. Hopefully it starts. Fingers crossed. So the 280 overheated because I was silly and I did not check the water level before we took off. Even though it's only a 20-minute drive, yeah, obviously it was low on water. So I have a water can and there's a drain here and there's a plastic bottle. So I use the plastic bottle, fill it up with drain water, fill this up and fill the 280 up. You got to be innovative at times, otherwise you'll get stuck. And it works. So putting a bit more water in it now and then we'll be good to go. Typical. It's full. Let's go. Man, that thing looks cool. Yee-hoo. I've never seen this thing driving before and it looks so freaking cool. Man. Yeah. Tara made it in the 280, which is awesome. Sick. Get this unloaded, jump in the factory. Alrighty, so we've got all the cars, well, 2 of the cars all set up in here. Cam's getting his gear set up. We're freaking on a roll, loving it. So now we're heading back home, gonna grab some food on the way, pick up the T18, the Nugget, tuck that in here, and then we're pretty good. Mad. Woo! Alright, this is the last trip. We're gonna pull the T18 out. She's under the car cover, been under there for a little while. Load her up on the trailer. I honestly forgot how ridiculously fun this thing is since we've had it dynoed. It goes really good. Only running 4 pounds of boost, 110 kilowatt, but 700 kgs means she's fast. I'm gonna put a smaller pulley on here. It'll make about 150 kilowatt and this thing will be a little animal. Cannot wait to freaking take this thing to the track. Anyway, sun's out, which is awesome. Let's get this thing to the factory. This is Cam.
How you going?
You're gonna see a lot more of him on the channel because we've gone halves in this factory together, which is sick.
That was a good one.
Of course, we have to crack the first beer in the factory. Woo! Tropical Pale Ale. Cheers, bro.
Cheers, mate.
Whew, I'm so excited for this crazy crap that we're gonna do here. The next build, you guys just do not have any idea how ridiculous it is. It's gonna be very fun. I've already paid for the car. It's gonna be loud, it's gonna be stupid, but I'm freaking pumped. Cheers. Woo! It's been a massive day. All of the cars are now inside the factory, which is super cool. We've spent the last couple of hours just getting the hoist nice and lined up. It's literally ready to be bolted into the ground. I moved the 280 out of the way of the hoist just in case there was an earthquake or something and the hoist falls down overnight because it's not bolted down at the moment. Just a little bit overwhelmed, to be honest, with the awesomeness of this place and the fact that I finally freaking have a factory to work in, which is crazy. There's a whole bunch of stuff I really want to do to this place. Make upstairs super livable. Not livable, but you know, when you're here, make lunch, play Forza, all that type of stuff, be sick. I've still got to set all my workbench and stuff up here, but we're going to be doing some really epic stuff here, which I'm stoked about. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at @itsmikeblake. You guys know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next video when we're finally here doing stuff, using the hoist for the first time, and it's going to be crazy. So, cheers for watching. Peace.